was working on this beautiful amber glass shade, and I was working on an imitation Mercury Glass finish inside of it. And I had an idea, why not show you what this paint looks like on a piece of glass. We want to work on the back side of any piece of glass because the mirror finish shows up on the reverse side. All right, I'm just going to recycle my piece of paper and tape here. Get this lined up with what we're going to do next. I want to get my paper towel ready. What I have here is a solution of part water, part vinegar. Now a little bit of water. And you can see what that does. I'm afraid to pick it up. I don't want the water to run, but can you see that? Oop, it's running. So now what I want to do is just take a little bit of this off. I'm going to let this dry for a couple minutes here. And I'm just going to dab this. Take some of that water off. See how that's looking. Okay, so what I've done is I've sprayed this with a little bit of vinegar water. You want it to dry just the slightest bit, and then to get that Mercury Glass finish, you want to dab at it. Now I've found that this paper towel has a texture to it, and the texture appears on the finish. I don't particularly like this, so I've made a note to myself that next time that I do this project, I will use a smooth, soft towel or rag, whatever I have, all right? But I'm gonna make sure it's smooth so that I don't get the texture. Now, you have to be really careful if you're working on a vertical surface because runs will happen, especially if you're spraying real close. I had that trouble with the glass amber shade, a couple spots ran, I had to dab them up. But because of what I was doing, I just worked it into part of the effect. So let's go ahead and take this off. I left a little bit of a gap here so you can see the difference. All right, you can see, let's start with the reverse. So see how dull the finish is? And here's our Mercury Glass finish. You can see me through it. All right, now, the reverse side is the Mercury Glass finish. It's a little hard to get because you can see the pool. And here's our mirror-like finish. Isn't that great? So you can see how beneficial it is to create a sample sheet of glass to test out any project that you're about to start, because that's where you learn that you don't like the texture of the paper towel you're using, or if you put it on too thin, that you're going to need multiple layers. It helps work out all the bugs before you move to your project. And there you have it, how to use looking glass paint for either a mirror finish or a Mercury Glass finish. Thank you, and join us again for our next renovation project.